Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing all of our new sound system for the 6.0. So I already have a bunch of stuff. I completely forgot to intro this video again. But, anyway, I have a bunch of new sound stuff that we actually unboxed a couple days ago, and then some this morning. We'll get a look at all of that and the new amp that I picked up for this truck. I actually just finished the video installing the speakers, but I have here our new radio in the back seat, so I'm actually going to take it in with me right now, and we will get it all opened up and take a look at what we got. Alright guys, so I haven't even introed the video yet, so the intro will be some other time, but I was just sitting here and I didn't know these were coming in today, but Amazon just dropped off a couple packages here. So I'm excited about this. So let's crack these open and we'll see what all we got here. I know there's some other stuff supposed to be here tomorrow and Thursday. Today's Tuesday, but anyway, let's get these cracked open here and we'll see what we got. Like I said, I'm pretty excited for all this stuff. Okay, guys. So first things first here in the packaging is I did get some speaker harness adapters for the 6.0. That way we don't have to splice into anything. But we have here two Scar 10s. These are the IX10s. I did some looking, and you know, most people say, oh, those are cheap subs, blah blah blah. And yeah, it's true, but I didn't want some gigantic setup or some super expensive setup. And I will be completely honest, I don't hardly know anything about car audio. We put subs in the white truck, me and my friend, years and years ago. That was a setup out of his truck, so I don't know anything about any of this kind of stuff, but it seems nicely packaged. And there you have it. This is actually the first brand new subs that I've ever purchased, so quite excited about that. And it's in a bag. I'm not going to pull it out of the bag and everything, but that's like I said, they seem pretty nice. They look pretty nice. I got an amp. I picked up an amp last night. It's in the kitchen, but 1200 watt amp. I got the wiring kit. I think we're going to try to build a box because I want one to go behind the seat of the 6.0. I've never built a box, so I figured, why not? Let's try to build a box. But I have these. I've ordered a radio from Crutchfield with an install kit. I have a set of speakers, or two sets of speakers on the way. Also Scar speakers. And then I believe I ordered a Boss Audio radio. But anyway, like I said, I'm pretty excited about all of this. Because again, I've never done any of this kind of stuff. So it's all new to me, but I'm gonna crack this other one open down here, and we'll take a look at it as well. Alright guys, so there are our two subs, and again, our adapters. So, if you know, I think I've mentioned this before, in the 6.0, we've been having some issues with our factory radio stuff, and I installed a adapter, that way I can use auxiliary and, you know, use my phone for radio, because I don't really listen to AM, FM radio, and we've been having some issues with it, so I decided, you know, go ahead, do a full sound system in the thing, and just go ahead and upgrade everything while we're there. Again, as far as adding subs, doing door speakers, upgrading the radio. It is a touchscreen radio, so it should be pretty nice once it's all said and done. But I'll catch y'all here in a couple days when everything else gets here. Alrighty, guys. So it's literally the next day. It's, what time is it? 10:30 in the morning, something like that. I just woke up not too long ago. But anyway, I woke up to the dog barking, and FedEx brought me my door speakers. So, crack this thing open. I haven't looked at it, I just cut the tape on it. But these are Skar door speakers. I've never run Skar door speakers before, but they didn't look bad. Seem to have pretty good reviews on them, so that's what we went with. 70 watt RMS, 210 watt max, so that should be perfect for in the 6.0, being that these aren't going to be amplified or anything. So I got these, and yeah, so these have the regular spade style connectors, and that is exactly what I purchased these for. So these will plug onto our speakers and then plug directly into the truck with no splicing needed. It's a good thing because, well, these didn't come with any kind of wire or anything, but they did come with another decal, so that's pretty cool. I'm gonna have plenty of decals by the time all this is said and done. But here in a little bit, I got an email from UPS. My radio should be here in a little bit, so if it's not raining when that gets here, which it is right now, we might get out there and get to installing this stuff today. The subs, like I mentioned, we got to figure out a solution for a box. After looking, I may only be able to run one of those because they require, I think it's recommended for 1.1 cubic feet minimum, and then the boxes to go behind the seat of those trucks are 1.25. So it would work for one. I don't know if it would work for two, but we'll figure that out. I emailed Net Audio, so hopefully we can figure out something about that. I was going to build a box, but I don't know if we're going to be able to build a box that has enough airspace for both of these subs. But anyway, I guess we'll wait for FedEx, or we'll wait for UPS, and hopefully my radio gets here today. Okay, guys, so the last of everything arrived today. A little bit later. We've already got the speakers installed in the 6.0, but Amazon brought our amp wiring kit, so we have that. Nice blue. I don't know, I thought it looked cool. Instead of the normal red, but we won't be needing that or this. I picked this up the other day off at Marketplace. The guy said he had it in his car for like 6 months, and it was too loud for him with two 12s. So it is what it is. I got that. It didn't come with a bass knob, but we can get a bass knob. They're like 20-30 bucks. We can do that later on, because again, it's probably going to take us a little bit to get the subs installed, so we won't be needing the amp kit or the amp for a little while until we can get a box built, figure out what we're going to do with it, and everything else. But from Crutchfield, we ordered a radio, a adapter kit, and the little, I guess, interface kit, and the little module to make the steering wheel buttons work. And then that'd also come with a antenna adapter, goes from straight to a 90, I believe what that's for. Come with the wiring, come with the little mounting kit here, and the radio itself. So on here we have a Boss BV850 ACP. And I'm not going to pull all of this out of here, but it is a touchscreen head unit. Doesn't play CDs. I mean, who listens to CDs anymore, honestly? And then we have our backup camera. So this is kind of like a freebie that come with the radio itself. Let me open that up real quick and we'll take a look at it. Okay, so then with our little backup camera, we have our RCA for that. I had seen also we're probably going to have to get a little extender piece for these because on those trucks they're not long enough. This is the power for the camera, and then the camera itself. I figured this would be a little plastic bracket, but it's actually metal, which is pretty cool. Got little lights in it and everything else. But anyway, like I said, we'll get this installed at some point in time. The next 2 videos are going to be the speakers. I got those installed while I was waiting on this to come in. But anyway, I'm going to get this all boxed back up, set everything over here, get a thumbnail, and well, we'll wrap up this video. Alrighty guys, so there we have everything. This will be everything other than a box for the Sixo. So again, I ordered the radio, the interface kit, and this install kit through Crutchfield. They're not sponsoring this. Neither is Scar Audio, but I paid for all of this. But with the Scar stuff, these speakers come directly from Scar in Florida. But they were purchased through Amazon for the speakers, the subs, and the wiring kit. But these come in next day. These come in 2 days, and then the radio also come in 2 days. Same with, you know, all this other stuff. But super quick, super nice. But the radio and stuff was $360 something bucks with tax and everything. The subs are $45 a piece, I think. I believe the door speakers were about the same. The wiring kit here was like $30 something. And then the interface and this install kit is included in that price for the radio. And that amp, I got that amp from 60 bucks from a guy here locally. So, I mean, it's not the most expensive setup. I didn't want to do nothing crazy. And like I said, we do still have to build a box. So, we're going to be looking into that. I'm going to try to figure that out. But anyway, guys, that is going to be a wrap for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everybody has a great day.